What's up, guys? Sunday. You know what that means. It's my weekly trading journal revision. Revision, not recap. Low-key recap. Just feeding out the work because I'm not allowed to have it on the internet. So we're going with my old sweaty gym shirt. The 20-minute, 10-second point of Fred again rooftop live on Aaron's rooftop in London. Goated song. Now let's get into. I think we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna go over every trade that I won in my trading journal and apply the altered strategy to it. So let's just get my Notion journal up real quick. Oh my god, I was watching Fred again on here. The exact same one. Bro's using Yahoo. What the fuck? I'm down bad, boys. You always. Excuse the misorganizational skills. Oh my god. I'm unreal. Ooh, cool. Right, so we have a new entry checklist, which is on my Discord, and if you want my Discord, I will leave a link in the comments, in the description. That's my entry checklist. Super simple. Yo. Okay. And my trading journal is also on the Discord, so if you want to go through this, and even look at the comments that I leave on my trades, feel free to. That'll also be in the Discord. As of recent trades, we've got, I believe, 2 losses and a win, or is it just 1 loss, 1 win? We'll go over the last 3. Sorry, what day was this? Okay, I would have reviewed that. Okay, so let's go just the last win and loss. So NQ1, we had a trade on September 23rd. It was bullish. Ended off a fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, and BPR, all on the 1 minute time frame, I believe. It was a 1% risk, 2.88 risk reward. We hit our sorry. Alright. We hit the first take profit, move stops to break even, got stopped out. My first TP is always at 1% or a 1-to-1. So yeah. Anyway. Neutral mentality, PMI services. Yeah, it was a win. Let's see my comments. Choppy liquidity sweep in the 5 minutes. Set my TP1 at a 1-to-1 risk reward. Price seems to have just nipped it and shit the bed. Slow price action tonight, but a great win nonetheless. Scaled in another position from another 1 minute fair value gap entry, which we can see here. This is the 1 minute BPR that we touched into, closed out bullish, and we entered this opening the opening of this candle. And then we had this another 1 minute breaker structure and fair value gap retest, bullish out. So sort of stayed in there. We did get very close to being stopped out here. Not really there, but yeah. Seems to be luck that won me that, but that's okay. Yes, we had a trade on September 26th. Didn't wait for a 5-minute break of structure. This is 50% of the reason I lost. The other 50% was the non-stop high-impact news from 8:30 to 11:15. Should not trade such high-impact news days. There was so much fucking news. This is my first day with this much news ever, so learning curve. Had a bullish bias because we took out the low time frame. Sorry, the high time frame lows. Ended off a fair value gap. We lost 0.28% because of 1, the high impact news, and 2, not waiting for a break of structure, which was low-key a part of my new strategy, my adjustment of the strategy, new adjustment to the strategy, which we're back testing. We're not actually implementing it. We are waiting for the 5-minute break of structure before we enter. We have our entry checklist, but we're just back testing at this point. So yeah, it's a 3.13 risk reward, 0 take profits hit, lost $288. And here we go. This is 1-minute breaker structure and retest with rejection of this fair value gap, and it shit the bed from there on. Why am I staring at me like that? Oh, hey. Confused and hesitant. This is my first ever confusion day. Yeah, we had GDP, unemployment claims, and Powell was speaking, and something else. It was a bunch of orange folder news as well. But yeah, in regards to P&L, we're up 1.3k. Also, just graduated the mastermind and received my free 100k challenge account with one-of-one funding. So, hell yeah. Okay, this is that entry checklist. But we're going to be backtesting these trades that I took to see if I could have taken them without that 5-minute break structure. So, look at the dates. I'll get those dates up on my phone just to make this a little bit quicker. Oh man, this song's so good. Wish I could play it on here, but I can't. Yo, wait, I can play music on here because monetization's not even a possibility for me yet. Anyway, am I super quiet? Can I turn my mic up? Right, well. Okay. How many days we got? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. We'll start most recent to the earliest. So September 26th on MES. Oh, yes. And this was a loss. Yes. September 26th. I think tomorrow we're going to do a back test session on Forex, see if my strategy works on Forex, because we've done it before, but I didn't realize that the market opens at different times, so it's just completely invalid. Also, we're doing the trades that I've won, because that makes more sense. September 23rd. Okay, this was the complete accident trade. Okay, and this was on MQ. Let's take it back to 9:30. These lows created these highs, and this value gap, and now my drawings aren't loading. There we go. So what I mean by we don't need to see a break of structure is we just need to see a bullish candle, okay, and now just a retracement candle, which is a what? Okay, so we had the break of structure. We couldn't do anything else about that. Created this high. Okay, there's a retracement candle. Right, we have to go back to a different time. Why is this not working? Different trade. September 19. Okay, this high, this imbalance, these lows, this high, this imbalance, this imbalance. Okay, what was this? Yes, okay. We're seeing if we can do this without a break of structure. Market opens, takes out these highs. Oh, no, we took those highs out pre-market, so we disregard those. Oh, interesting. Took liquidity, then had our retracement candle right here. Okay. Let's the ES chart over a bit. Okay. Now we want to see a 1 minute break of structure or inverse fair value gap. We get this inverse fair value gap. It's quite small. Disregard that. Possibly. I want to see this get inverse. Okay, we've inversed that anyway. Created a fair value gap. Broke 1 minute structure. Closing above Sorry. Yo, 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 yo. Broke 1 minute structure with that move. Tapped into order and breaker block. Which, mark it. Order block. So yeah, we can buy here. Stops right there. Not going to worry about how much I'm risking, although it's quite close. Let's get a long position in. Ooh, I adore you. And we want a TP at a 1-to-1. Come on there. And probably I believe these are all-time highs, but probably final TP there. Okay, what do we see? There's a re-entry right there. TP1 smack. Sell one position. This is a 1.4 though. 719 fair value gap. A 2 risk to reward. So this entry would have actually been okay. Smack both TPs. Interesting. Originally, I entered here. I entered here on this candle. So this is entering off the 5-minute retracement after sweeping liquidity, and then 1 minute breaker structure, continuation confluence, or close out, or bias close out. That actually, I only made $217. But I only risked, I guess I hit a 1-to-1. So in this, yeah, I would have made a lot more. I would have hit smack both TPs. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Good backtest session. September 17, another win. NQ. So, drag this over. Get the sharp. And pull back to 17. A little bullish. Interesting. Okay. 9 o'clock candle. Let's just see if these lows got taken out pre-market or not. We got this this fair value gap. Now we've got these 1 hour highs. So 9:30, we make those 1 hour highs. But did we take something out? No. No highs. Oh, wait. Okay. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Right. That'd be our TP then. Hit liquidity. We get our bullish candle, and now we just need a retracement candle. We broke structure, so we can't even fair value gap, retest fair value gap, bullish close, enter. Okay. And then I assume we smack those highs and shit the bed. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Next win, September 13. Thank you. Friday 13th, and I won? Yo, this is solidation, bro. Right, so we had no lows. Oh yeah, we did, sorry. These lows, these highs, 4-hour highs maybe. Okay, let's have a look at 130 came down, took out these lows, we broke structure immediately, took out the highs. Yo, how clean does this little area fucking look? How clean does that little area look? What? 3 blues, 3 blues, 2 white, 3 blue, 2 white, 3 blue, 2 white. Low-key 3 blues, because I don't know what the fuck that is. 2 white. Damn, that's sick. Anyway. Broke structure, so we can't even test that. 12th of September, NQ. You're not your mind. Incredible that I fucking won a trade in these conditions. Okay. 4-hour fair value gap. Which we get deep into. I remember this messy ass fucking trade. So let's take it back to, we took liquidity and then we got that 1 minute retrace. Let's see. Took liquidity. Broke 1 minute structure here. Value gap. There's an inverse there. Jesus Christ. Okay, we've inversed this one. means we've got water block, which we touch into, close bullish, even creating a fair value gap. So okay, first TP. Then we want 1 hour highs, which we have here, here, 4 hour highs. Okay. Touching the fair value gap. Close out bullish. Would have been a little bit of a better entry. Very close to TP1. Smack TP1. And we're selling half of our positions at CP1. That's just how we operate. Even though we've got 3 take profits, we sell 4 here. Stops at break even. CP. Okay, let's just see if it actually reaches it. Yeah, okay, final TP smack. Interesting. Let's see what entered here. What the RR was for that. Yeah. So this candle smacked it? Let's just check. Holy shit, bro. $1.55, smacking all TPs. 12. We made 210 off that with a 3.49 risk to reward. This is a 1.55 risk to reward, and we made $1,000. So don't get fooled by the RR. Just trade correctly, Jay. Remember September 9, it was a loss. It was still very confusing. It was mixed bearish. That was my old bias reading strategy. So NQ, September 9. Let's go back to there. Okay, so this is 9 o'clock. What do we have from 9 o'clock? We've got these highs. We've got this fair value gap, which we've already touched into. Is that a pre-market sweep? No. It was bearish. Let's try and see where we fucked up. Real quick. Let's mark out the 50% mark of this fair value gap. Okay. So looking quite obvious now. This wasn't enough to break it. Came up, took out the 50% mark. Now we want a blue candle for break structure right there. Bang. Let's see. Sorry, let's mark our liquidity real quick. We had 1 hour lows. That's probably what I would have been targeting, to be fair. Just that with a 1-to-1 on top. So let's go back to where we were. On a 5-minute, was this a blue candle? Yeah. Right. So here. And now we want a 1-minute break structure to the downside, which bang. The break structure because we inverse this fair value gap. And now we have this low key an order block. And we've got that fair value gap. Now we can mark out at 1-minute equilibrium. Let's delete this 5-minute equilibrium. Just focus on this and that fair value gap. Fair value gap there, we should retest. Close out bearish, sell here. Stops above these highs. And those 1 hour lows. Let's just hey, maybe would have taken partials there. Let's just trade like we know how to. That's basically a 1-to-1. So I would have gone for those other 1 hour lows. Or even this, the end of this fair value gap. Alright. Let's go here. Okay, real quick. Because this is just over a 1-to-1, we're going to keep that as TP1. We'll mark out. This trade we got stopped out on somehow. Okay, 2.42. What about risk? 1.7% on accident, okay. And it was a 0.9, and we hit 0 take profits. So this is a horrible trade that we had taken in the first place. But let's okay, do one more. All right. Okay, TP1 smacked. We sell 6 of our 5 positions. Sorry, we buy back 6 of our 5. Up $500 as opposed to losing $1,100. And Stop that break even. Okay. Interesting. I'm liking this strategy. This new one. August 30. Let's pray August 30 has 1 hour price action. I know for a fact at this point it was very different bias reading strategy that I had. August 30, I was bullish. Ended up an order block. Okay. Touch this fair value gap again. Down, that's not a low. Is this NQ? These highs up here. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Here we go. Okay, bang. We've had a retracement. Haven't broken structure yet. Let's enter on the 1 minute. No 1 minute price action. Let's just say we found an entry in the next 5 minutes. Definitely wouldn't have. Maybe in here. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is the trade that I right before 4 a.m. Yeah, 5 minutes before trade debate closed my trade, I hit TP. I remember this day. Yeah, okay, it's a shame we can't backtest these with the 1 minute price action, but it is what it is. So far so good with the results. So if you watch this long, thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I fucking love you. Anyway, peace out.